We've been using the natural plants that are planted around here. So we've used some of those to create these molds for what's kind of like an artificial fossil pattern. I'll be pulling these plants out today and deconstructing the mold, and we'll take a look at how they came out. We'll be laying those out just in front of the entryway we created around the back of the house here. My mold's now complete and ready to make 3 pavers at a time. I'm making a specialised concrete mix for these pavers. I just keep adding pigment until I get the colour I like by eye. I give the mix some time. Once it's thoroughly mixed, I dump it into one of my tubs, ready to add the concrete into our mould. Our final step is to carefully push leaves and flowers into the top of the pavers. This way, when we check the moulds later, we'll have 2 choices for each paver deconstructing our mould. The paver came out of the mould nicely.
I promise you're the only thing I see.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have